Every AI prediction, every business dashboard, and every data-driven decision relies on a team of specialists working behind the scenes. Each of them plays a distinct role, preparing the data, uncovering patterns, and turning numbers into insights. Let's begin with the foundation: data engineers. They design and maintain the systems that allow data to flow smoothly. That means building pipelines that move data from apps and sensors, designing databases to store it reliably, and ensuring the information is available at scale. Take Netflix as an example. Data engineers there create pipelines that capture what shows people watch, when they pause, and which devices they use. By the time the data reaches other teams, it's already organized, consistent, and ready to be put to use. Without data engineers, the rest of the data process can't even begin. Once the infrastructure is in place, data scientists step in. Their role is to ask the big questions. What can this data tell us about the future? What patterns point to opportunities or risks? They build predictive models, design experiments, and apply machine learning techniques to guide strategic decisions. In banking, for instance, data scientists design fraud detection systems that flag unusual transactions in real time, protecting both customers and institutions. If data engineers focus on the how of data, data scientists focus on the what and why. But even the most sophisticated models don't speak for themselves. This is where data analysts come in. Analysts make data understandable for decision makers. They create dashboards, reports, and visualizations that highlight what's happening in the business right now and why it matters. In retail, for example, analysts design sales dashboards that reveal which products are performing best, helping managers design what to restock or promote. They close the gap between raw numbers and human understanding. Each role works on the same data, but from a different angle. Naturally, the skills and tools differ as well. Data engineers specialize in databases, SQL, NoSQL, big data frameworks like Hadoop or Spark, and cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Data scientists need a strong grounding in mathematics and statistics, alongside programming in Python or R, and the ability to design machine learning models. Data analysts focus on SQL, visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI, and most importantly, the ability to turn findings into stories that non-technical audiences can act on. Without data engineers, there's no reliable system to capture or manage information. Without data scientists, organizations can't use data to predict or innovate. Without data analysts, insights remain buried, never reaching the people who need them most. Only when all three work together does raw data transform into real business impact.